Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to set up a customer relationship management CRM system using HubSpot, a powerful tool for managing customer relationships and streamlining your sales process. If you're looking to optimize your workflow, this tutorial is for you. HubSpot offers a free and user-friendly CRM that helps you organize contacts, track interactions, and close deals more effectively. Here's how to get started. Create your HubSpot account. Visit the HubSpot website and sign up for a free CRM account. Once registered, you'll be guided through an onboarding process to set up your workspace. Import your contacts. Navigate to the Contacts tab and choose Import. Upload your contact list via a CSV file, ensuring all fields are mapped correctly. HubSpot will automatically organize your data for easy access. Customize your dashboard. Use HubSpot's drag and drop tools to personalize your dashboard. Add widgets for tasks, sales pipelines, and analytics to get a clear overview of your business performance. Set up pipelines. Go to the Sales tab and create pipelines to reflect your sales process. Define each stage from lead generation to deal closure and assign tasks to your team members. Automate key processes. Use HubSpot's automation features to save time. Set up email templates, schedule follow-ups, and create workflows that trigger actions based on customer interactions. Track and analyze performance. Use built-in analytics to monitor your team's performance and customer engagement. Identify areas for improvement and optimize your strategies accordingly. With HubSpot, managing your CRM is simple and efficient, allowing you to focus more on building strong customer relationships. Have you tried HubSpot for your business? Share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. See you in the next one.